I could never have that bathroom without them. I know I would have never been able to find that from anyone else in town. They had the warehouse, which has amazing products in the warehouse. It's just so fabulously done. The people that Lisa and Anthony have working there are fabulous. They're super, super helpful. They'll let you seek your own level. They'll let you go in and say, hey, I just kind of want to look around right now, or like, can you help me? And they help you with whatever they have to do. Every tile surface in our house is pretty much from Atlantic Tile. We did all of our bathrooms, and we found different products from different places, and Lisa was able to research things for us. I first started talking to Lisa and Anthony about what I wanted to do limestone, and Anthony said, we can road trip to Miami. And I was like, wow, okay. And he goes, we can go down there, and they brought in a bunch of different samples and things, and then we went, and the four of us actually road tripped to Miami, and we went down and we looked at all these products, and we just had a wonderful day. And I had never been down in the Miami Design District down there, and we actually stopped in a bunch of other places that didn't have anything to do with them, just so that we could look at different products and everything, and it was so fun. It was such a fun day with them because they were all about tiles and and flooring and everything like that, and we were just starting out, so it was a great day for me to look at different things. And Lisa and I would be standing there and going, oh, look at this, look at that, and Kevin and Anthony would be talking about how something would be put down or something like that. So it was a great experience that day. All the products that we got from them are fabulous. Their customer service is fabulous. Lisa and Anthony are fabulous, and all their staff is fabulous. I would recommend them to anyone.